Okay, I'll just do the layers of the cake. Okay, I'm using a chocolate sponge over here. Let people join, then I'll show you the cream. Okay, so I'm making 3 layers of chocolate sponge. I hope it's visible. दीपिका ना डॉक्टर ने फोन करना એને કે કોલ ના કરે એનો ક્લાસ ચાલુ છે. Okay, so I did the layers. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so I'm making a cream for mango cake. I've already whipped the cream. Okay, I've already whipped the cream. I'll add half mango pulp. Okay, half mango का pulp निकाला है मैंने, not more, as we are going to add mango pieces too. Okay, so half mango का pulp निकाला है मैंने, and I'll just beat this. Okay, to mix it. ओके, सी ओनली हाफ मैंगो का पल्प निकाला है मैंने. ओके, और whipped क्रीम में मैंने उसको मिक्स किया हुआ है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So the first layer, I'll just moisture this with normal water. Okay, this cake is really very yummy. Please try it at home. This is a chocolate mango cake. Okay, so I'm moisturizing with normal water. Okay, now I'll be putting this mango cream, okay, which we whipped it. Okay, so I'm putting a layer of this mango cream. Just spread it nicely. Nobody's asking anything, no? Okay, a layer of mango cream. Then I'll be putting ganache. Okay, I've already put this ganache in a piping bag. With the help of it, I'll just put the cream. See, क्रीम के लेयर के बाद आपको एक गनाश का लेयर डालना है.
क्या बना रहे हो?
आई एम मेकिंग अ चॉकलेट मैंगो केक. ओके, स्प्रेड इट. द चॉकलेट केक लवर्स and mango lovers will love this cake. Okay, अभी गनाश का लेयर डालने के बाद मैं चॉप्ड मैंगोज इसमें डाल रही हूँ. ओके, यू कैन ऑल्सो क्रश इट एंड पुट, but I love pieces inside. So finally chop करो और इसको इसमें fill करो.
No questions.
They all are enjoying watching it, I think. No questions comes in mind. Okay. Then the top layer upside down. I just wash my hands for a sec. Then before moisturizing,
mango pulp.
हाफ मैंगो का ही पल्प मैंने क्रीम में डाला हुआ है. Fill the sides first and then moisture the second layer of cake. Okay. Again moisture the second layer. Moisturizing the cake with water is very important, okay? Otherwise your cake won't be so soft. So this is a very important part. Each and every layer you should moisture. Okay? Now again the mango cream. Okay, after the layer of cream, I'll put ganache. See, for the beginners, it finds difficult for them to apply cream with a palette knife, okay? So as I put this ganache with a piping bag, same way you can apply cream also, okay?
Sorry, I am late.
Who is late?
Jayashree. Jayashree.
No problem dear, if you're late, you can see my recording later.
Is it dark chocolate ganache?
Yes, it is dark chocolate ganache.
How much quantity of cream with half mango pulp?
Cream, for filling you're asking? I took half cup of cream. Okay, I whipped it. And then only half mango का pulp मैंने cream में डाल के mix किया हुआ है.
Thanks, Kajal, for putting through the questions. Thank you. Welcome.
Okay, now this is the last layer.
Dark chocolate या milk chocolate?
No. For ganache, I always use dark chocolate. Okay, now fill sides with cream.
मंडली आभारी है.
Who's that? Vijay. Hi, Vijay. Okay, now I will be covering this cake with white cream. I will please bring no the white cream. Just whip it for a second.
ये केक
क्या रेट है? Okay, this I sell for 750 rupees half kg. Okay, now I'll be covering this cake with the white cream as I'm doing glaze afterwards. Okay. जब भी आप ग्लेज से कवर करते हो ना, ट्राई टू कवर योर केक विद वाइट क्रीम ओनली. ओके, तो वो बहुत अच्छा उठ के आता है. Anybody wants to ask anything, you can. Kajal is reading the comments.
Can we use ready cream from those Tetra Pak, or it has to be homemade fresh cream from milk we get home?
No, this is a cream, a whipping cream, okay, which we get in the bakery shop, okay. Only that cream can be whipped. This is a Tropolite cream, okay. The brand is Tropolite, which we get in the bakery shops.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome.
Share brands. Brand share.
Tropolite, I said Tropolite.
Just half cup cream should be enough.
Yeah, for the filling. For the filling, half cup is enough.
Is this coating of white cream necessary, or we can just apply glaze directly?
Directly glaze won't be visible. Okay. If you cover the cake with white cream, then only the glaze will be visible. Is that all?
This
Starter.
yeah.
Plastic one. Okay, now this is a plastic scraper I'm using just to give a smooth finish.
Top coat is just whipped cream, or have you added mango pulp in it?
No, I have added nothing in this outer layer. It's just whipped cream. Welcome.
Whipped cream with sugar.
With sugar means? Yeah, many people whip the cream and they add sugar, okay? But I don't, as it already has sugar in it, okay? So I don't want to make my cake more sweet. So many people add, but I don't, okay? Because whipped cream already has sugar in it. Okay? Now with the help of this comb, I've done the linings on sides, okay? No need to add sugar and cream.
Can we apply glaze on colored cream?
Yes, you can, but see, I have covered this with white cream. If you want, you can cover with yellow cream and use yellow glaze, okay? अगर आप रेड ग्लेज कर रहे हो तो रेड क्रीम डालो, ग्रीन ग्लेज कर रहे हो तो ग्रीन कलर का क्रीम डालो, ओके? Hope you all are enjoying, huh?
Okay, thanks. And one of her
Thank you
student
so much,
guides
Chaitali.
you share as much you can.
Yeah, please share my video if you are liking it. Okay, I just wanted to tell you, the more you share, at the last I will be seeing कि जिसने ज़्यादा share किया है, I'm going to give them a special discount in whatever course they want to do from me. Okay? So please share my video as much as you can.
मेरा क्रीम एसी में फूट जाता है क्यों?
मेरा क्रीम एसी में फूट जाता है क्यों? फूट जाता है मैं समझी नहीं मैं. ड्राई होता है क्या आपका क्रीम? एसी में इनफैक्ट whip क्रीम तो अच्छा whip होता है.
I will enjoy eating.
Okay, my sister.
साइड में शायद क्रीम कम है.
फुट जाता है मतलब मैं समझी नहीं आप क्या पूछना चाह रहे हो. रेनू जी, just be clear what you're asking. Okay, now I'll be making the glaze, okay?
Me too. Jai Shri, me too.
You all can come at my place to eat, okay? Now see, I'm making a glaze over here. Orange color ना होगी yellow.
मिक्स ड्राई हो जाता है.
काजल, orange ना होगी yellow. Orange glaze will look good ना, and yellow mango.
It's orange.
Yellow mango. Mix नहीं लगे. Yellow light लगता है.
अभी तो ऑरेंज है.
Orange. Orange will look good.
मिक्स ड्राई हो जाता है.
ड्राई होता है तो आपको थोड़ा वाटर स्प्रे करना है, ओके? तो वो ड्राइनेस निकल जाएगा. आप थोड़ा वाटर स्प्रे करोगे ना तो ड्राइनेस निकल जाएगा, ओके?
Paresh, Soni, me too will enjoy eating.
You all can join, come at my house to eat. All welcome हो आप लोग सब. ओके, मैंने अभी 2 to 3 tablespoon glaze लिया है. Okay, I'll be adding little water into it just to make it flowy, okay? थोड़ा सा ही पानी डाला है मैंने because I want this in a flowing consistency, okay? So mix it properly. I hope your question is clear, Renu. See, now it's flowy. Now I'll be adding orange color, okay? See, and a little pulp, mango pulp, okay?
Which company glaze you have taken?
You can, it's not compulsory to take. उसमें ग्लेज न्यूट्रल से आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्रांड, ओके? इसमें कुछ आपको ब्रांड का कुछ देखना नहीं है, ऑल आर सेम, ओके? यू कैन यूज एनी, कुछ फर्क नहीं आएगा. आई एम एडिंग लिटिल मैंगो पल्प. ये मैंगो पल्प मैंने छान के लिया है जो मैं ग्लेज में डाल रही हूँ, ओके? 1 से 1.5 चम्मच मैंने डाला है मैंगो का पल्प इसमें, एंड ऑरेंज कलर, ओके? मिक्स इट प्रॉपर्ली. Now I'll be pouring this glaze on my cake.
Okay, thank you.
Palette knife.
Nice.
Hi mom, thank you mama. Okay, I'll be pouring this and spread it. I want to cover this with full glaze, okay? So हल्के हाथ से आप इसको साइड्स में स्प्रेड करो. आपका हाथ इतना हल्का होना चाहिए कि वो जो लाइनिंग्स भी दिखना चाहिए, ओके? अगर आप प्रेशर देके करोगे तो वो लाइनिंग्स नहीं दिखेगा. So don't give much pressure, okay? Very lightly you have to do this. How it's looking, guys? Is it visible clearly?
Yes.
Okay, all the extras I'm removing from down.
Awesome. Yes. It's looking young. It looks awesome. It's look awesome. Wow.
Okay. Now first thing we'll do is clean the base, clean the board. Then I'll be showing you the web design on it, okay?
Ami Divecha. Oh, yummy.
Thank you, Ammi. I have to clean this. Any questions you can ask me. Hi Rutu. Thank you Jayashri. Kajal, is it visible? I'm removing all the extras, okay, which is on the base. Then I'll do the top web design, okay. Kajal, can you fill this ganache in a piping bag? Huh? No, nozzle. Okay,
Can
now
you
I'll be
add
using
crushed
ganache, okay, for the web design.
This.
Huh? Yeah.
Can we
Just-
add crush in glaze?
Crush and glaze, yes, you can. See, glaze में मैंने डाला है mango का pulp, लेकिन it is not compulsory to add that mango pulp or mango crush in glaze, okay? You can add only color. ये flavor तो हमने केक के अंदर दिया ही है ना, so it is not that compulsory to add the flavor on the glaze also, okay? Now see, I have taken ganache in a piping bag, okay? It's not a thick one, very thick ones. Where is the... Just giving a small cut. Okay, now see. From center, saw what I did? मैंने सिर्फ थोड़े थोड़े स्पेस में लाइनिंग्स दिए हुए हैं, ओके. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ टूथपिक, ओके, साइड से मैं सेंटर तक जाऊंगी. सी, थोड़े थोड़े गैप में, बिकॉज मैं उसको ऑपोजिट साइड भी करने वाली हूँ, तो थोड़े थोड़े गैप में पहले मैं बाहर से अंदर ले रही हूँ, ओके.
Lovely.
इज इट विजिबल? और फिर ऑपोजिट साइड ले रही हूं मैं. Visible? See, can you just a second, I'll show you. See, मैंने यहाँ से लिया था, अभी मैं ऑपोजिट साइड ले रही हूँ, ओके. होल्ड काजल, थोड़ा दूर. सी लाइक दिस. पहले मैंने ऐसे लिया था, अभी मैं ऑपोजिट साइड ले रही हूँ.
Awesome.
How it's looking, guys?
Awesome. I will surely try.
Yeah, this is a wonderful design. You can surely try at home. Okay.
तो आना ही पड़ेगा.
Okay. Now just with this, no, the nozzle just I'll do border, and then we'll do keep the window. I'm just giving a border, okay. First, this N1 nozzle. Or should I do it with ganache? Wait, I'll do it with ganache. Because
Beautiful. Very beautiful. Awesome.
Okay, I'm just giving the border first. And then I have made some chocolate garnishing. With that, we will decorate this, okay?
Looking tempting. Wow, awesome D.
Who is this?
Shweta.
Shweta. Thank you so much, Shweta.
कोयम्बतूर बेच सकती
With cream also you can do, give the border. But
कोयम्बतूर
see, this is
बेच
also
सकती
looking
हूँ
quite nice. Huh?
कोयम्बतूर बेच सकती हूँ
Yeah, I'll parcel. See, I've made one. See, I've made one garnishing, okay, with this, okay, chocolate. I've made this. Garnishing classes are also available if anybody interested, okay. So I'll just place this on one side. And see, this mango, okay. So it's done. One more garnishing I have made. 4 sides, 1 sec. See, these types of garnishing I have made at home, okay?
No.
तो इसको मैं साइड में सिर्फ साइड्स में डाल रही हूँ, okay?
नोजल नंबर
Nozzle I have used star nozzle.
नंबर
N1. See how nice it's looking. I made this garnishing, okay, at home.
ब्यूटीफुल सुपर्ब
Thank you so much. See, I'll just show y'all.
This looks great now.
I'll post this picture later. See,